Okay, hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your MacBook to your Apple TV. So to start off, we're going to take a look at this top right hand corner here, and depending on which version of macOS you're running, you're either going to see an AirPlay icon that looks like this, or you're going to see this control center icon over here. So if you see the AirPlay icon, go ahead and click that once and it will open a drop down menu with available devices. If you see the control center icon, we have an extra step. We click that, and then we're going to go to screen mirroring, and that's going to open the same menu. So from here we're going to find our device. We're currently in Willowside room 0, so this is us. We're going to go ahead and click that. Apple TV turns on and we are connected. So now you can see that my screen is on the Apple TV. So now another additional thing you can do is come down to System Preferences. We go to Displays, and then we're going to go to Arrangement over here. And this is going to show us how our displays are currently set up. So as you can see on my laptop screen, I have all my icons down here, and on the Apple TV is just a window open up there. So that means that my laptop is my main screen, and that is reflected by this white bar on top of this arrangement here. And you can change that if you wish by just dragging the white bar over. That will switch. So now I'm on the Apple TV, but I don't want to do that right now, so oops. I'm going to drag this back, and we are back on my laptop. So to better explain the arrangement, this is where you get to decide which direction you would have to drag a window to get it onto the Apple TV or another screen. So here, mine is on the right, so I would have to drag it to the right, and you would see it coming up on the Apple TV. Now it's totally personal preference. You can put it up above, to the left, below. It's all up to what's most comfortable for you and your workflow. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to connect your iPad to the Apple TV as a document camera. So we're going to start by dragging diagonally from the top right hand corner. It's going to open up this menu, and then we're going to click on screen mirroring, and then we're just going to find our same Apple TV. We're at Willowside room 0, and there we are. As you can see now on the Apple TV back there, it is mirroring the iPad screen. So now we're going to go back. I'm going to go back to our main page, and then we're just going to open the camera app, and now the iPad's going to work as a document camera on the Apple TV. Okay, so now that we are all set up, some of you may be wondering, well, what if I want to use my old document camera with the projector? So I'm going to go ahead and show you that real quick. I'm going to pretend that nothing has been plugged in, so we're going to start from step 1. So we're going to grab our adapter here, and we're going to grab our VGA cable. We're just going to plug those two together, and then we're going to plug the other end into our MacBook. And we're going to make sure our document camera is powered on, and once we do that, we're going to grab our switch box that looks like this, and we're just going to switch it from Mac to Cam. The projector is going to go off for a second, and then our document camera will be up on the projector. So you can actually use both the Apple TV and the projector at the same time if you'd like. And that's it. I hope this cleared some things up. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.